Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This project is crystal based Miller oscillator. As you can see, here is the schematic. The crystal is 2 megahertz. Here is the frequency output, exactly 2 megahertz. Very nice. And this one is the schematic. As you can see, here we have divided tank circuit. This side 100 microhenry coil and 2 caps, and this side is the 10 mega ohm resistor and the crystal. It will work from 1 megahertz up to 16 megahertz dependent to the MPF 102 or any other JFET that you are using. As you can see, for the 2 megahertz it's working pretty well. I'm going to change the 2 megahertz crystal with the 8 megahertz like that. Very good. Here is the frequency, 8 megahertz. My meter is FC 2500. Is very good. It will counting from 1 hertz up to 2.5 gigahertz. And here is the crystal based Miller oscillator. Thanks for watching. Please test the JFET transistor before doing this project. Goodbye.